Tyt carpet cleaning. It's the best. Did my house, great job. You gotta try it. Hey guys.
How you doing? This is me, Pastor Larry with Tyt Industrial Cleaning. I'm here with Ken right now. We just got finished doing his upholstery and his patio carpet. How you doing today, Ken?
Doing wonderful. Had you back for a second time to continue on cleaning my house. You did a great job, very appropriately priced, and I recommend you to anyone.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I appreciate you giving me the opportunity to show you what I'm capable of. For everybody that's out there, if you'd like to contact us, just contact us at 714-553-4370. God bless you guys. See you later.
For much more, go to tytforhim.com.